Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen. I am the Maths Mentor. And today's session, let us discuss about differentiation 4 mark questions. Coming to question number 1. Find the derivative of sin 2x from the first principle. You know what is first principle? Given function f of x is sin 2x, right? You know the first principle is f dash x equal to f of x plus h minus f dash x equal to limit x tends to 0, f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. What is the first principle? To find the derivative of a given function, f dash x is equal to f limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay children. Now given function f of x equal to sin 2x. Now we have to find f of x plus h, I mean sin 2 into x plus h. I mean in the place of x we are substituting x plus h, right? Therefore sin 2 into in place of x, that is x plus h, right? So how can I write as sin 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into h, 2h. Are you understanding children? Here we want f of x plus h. I mean given function f of x is sin 2x. Now the thing is we have to find f of x plus h. In the place of x we are substituting x plus h. Therefore sin 2 into x plus h, 2 into x 2x plus 2 into h 2h. Right? So let us substitute now f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h value is sin 2x plus 2h minus f of x value is sin 2x divided by h. So we are finding derivation. Simply we call derivative as f dash x. Okay. So limit h tends to 0. Now if you observe the numerator which is in the form of sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d. What is the formula of sin c minus sin d? The formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. Sin c minus d by 2. Children, what is the formula of sin c minus sin d? That is 2 cos c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. Okay, let us substitute now. 2 into cos, this is our c value and this is our d value. C plus d, I mean 2x plus 2h plus 2x by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. C in the sense 2x plus 2h minus d in the sense 2x by 2 whole divided by h. Right? Now limit h tends to 0, 2 into cos as 2x plus 2x 4x plus 2h divided by 2 into 2x cancel sin 2h divided by 2 whole divided by h. As 2 gets cancelled, so limit h tends to 0, 2 into cos. Now from these two terms I can take 2 as common. If I take 2 as common, 2 into x 2x, 2 into 2x that is 4x and 2 into h that is 2h divided by 2 into sin h. Let me write this h over here. Okay children, now let me cancel this 2 and 2 As 2 is constant, take it outside. 2 into limit h tends to 0 cos 2x plus h. Again individually apply limit to both the terms. First we are applying limit to this term, and again we are applying limit to second term also. Limit h tends to 0 sin h by h. Now let us apply h tends to 0. So it will become 2 into, in the place of h we are writing 0, 2 into x plus 0 into, as we know that limit h tends to 0 sin h by h value is what? 1, right? So 2 into cos 2x plus 0, that is 2x only. So what is the derivative of sin 2x, children? The derivative of sin 2x is 2 into cos 2x. 2 into cos 2x, which is very important problem. Children, try to understand. Once again I am explaining. Given function is sin 2x. They are asking to find the derivative of sin 2x by using first principle. What is the first principle? F dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Therefore f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h means what? Sin 2x plus 2h minus f of x in the sense sin 2x by h. Now which is in the form of sin c minus sin d. The formula of sin c minus sin d is 2 into cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So 2 into cos c means 2x plus 2h plus d means 2x by 2. Sin c means 2x plus 2h minus d means 2x by 2. So 2x plus 2x, 4x plus 2h by 2. 2x cancel, 2h by 2. Again 2 cancel. From these two terms I took 2 common. 2x the 4x plus 2 into h, 2h. Again 2 gets cancelled. As 2 is constant, let me take it outside. Limit h tends to 0 cos 2x plus h into, again we are applying limit to this term as well as sin h by h. This value is 1. In the place of h we took 0. So cos 2x plus 0 cos 2x only. Right children? Did you understand what is the how to find the derivative of sin 2x by using first principle? Now my question is how to find the derivative of cos 2x. Let us find the derivative of cos 2x by using first principle only. Children, what is the function here? Given function is cos 2x. Right? Now what we have to find? The given function we call it as f of x, that is cos 2x. Now the thing is we have to find f of x plus h. I mean cos 2 into x plus h, which will become cos 2x plus 2h. Right? Now the formula to find the derivative of trigonometric function, any function by using first principle is f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Right? I mean cos 2x plus 2h minus cos 2x by h. Right? Now children, what is the formula for cos c minus cos d? We know the formula for sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Now which is in the form of cos c minus cos d? What is the formula of cos c minus cos d? Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. What is the formula children? Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. That is the formula for cos c minus cos d. Right? Now let us substitute. Limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sin c in the sense 2x plus 2h plus d in the sense 2x by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. 2x plus 2h minus 2x by 2 divided by h. Right? So f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sin as 2x plus 2x 4x plus 2h by 2 into 2x cancel, sine 2h by 2, right? Now divided by h. So f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sine. Among these two terms I can take 2 as common, 2 into 2x plus 2 into h by 2 into, as 2 gets cancelled, I can write as sine h by h, right? Now let us apply limit to both the terms. You take minus 2 outside as which is constant, so limit h tends to 0 sine 2x plus h, as we cancel 2 here, and limit h tends to 0 sine h by h, right? Now minus 2 into, let us substitute in the place of h 0 sine 2x plus 0, as the value of sine h by h value what, which is equal to 1. So minus 2 into 1 minus 2 sine 2x. So children, what is the derivative of cos 2x? The derivative of cos 2x is minus 2 sine 2x. Okay. So the thing is here we are using the formula of cos c minus cos d. What is the formula of cos c minus cos d? Minus 2 sine c plus d by 2 and sine c minus d by 2. What is the value of c? Value of c is 2x plus 2h plus the value of d is 2x by 2 into sine c means 2x plus 2h minus d means 2x by 2. Remaining the process is same. Once if you practice once or twice, you will get the problem easily. Maximum they are asking either sin 2x or cos 2x, or else they may ask tan 2x. Okay. Now let us find the derivative of tan 2x by using first principle. Okay. What is the given function, children? The given function is tan 2x, I mean tan into 2, tan 2 into x plus h, it will become tan of 2x plus 2h. Okay. Now what is the first principle? Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h, right? That is the first principle. Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay, which is the most important formula. The total chapter of derivative depends upon this formula only. That is f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay, children. As we know that, how can we write as tan theta? We can write as tan theta as sin theta by cos theta. Okay, children. Now let me write limit h tends to 0 tan 2x plus h. I can write as sin 2x plus 2h by cos 2x plus 2h minus tan 2x. I can write as sin 2x by cos 2x divided by h. Okay, children. Tan theta we can write as sin theta by cos theta. So f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0. Now the LCM of cos 2x plus h into cos 2x is cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Now cross multiplication, sin 2x plus 2h into cos 2x minus cos 2x plus 2h into sin 2x whole divided by h, children. Children, did you understand? I take the LCM of cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x is cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Now the cross multiplication, sin 2x plus 2h into cos 2x minus cos 2x plus 2h into sin 2x. Will you observe here? As the numerator, which is in the form of sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. I mean, which is the formula of what? Sin a minus b or not? Which is the formula of sin a minus b, right? Let me write f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 sin a in the sense 2x plus 2h b in the sense 2x sin a minus b by, I can write this as h into cos of 2x plus 2h into cos 2x, right? Now the thing is here, as I can cancel 2x and 2x, if I cancel 2x and 2x, what I will get here, f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 sin 2h by h into 1 by cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x, right? Okay. Now what it actually, it limit h tends to 0 sin h by h value is 1. I don't have here, actually we have 2h, that we multiply into 2 and here also into 2. Okay, let me take 2 outside. So f dash x equal to 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin h by h into, again let me apply limit to this term as well as 1 by cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Okay children. Now f dash x equal to 2 into, as the value of this is 1, so 2 into 1, again in the place of h you substitute 0, so this will become 1 by cos 2x plus 0 into cos 2x. So f dash x equal to 2 into 1, 2 by cos 2x into cos 2x, cos square 2x. So this I can write as f dash x equal to 2 into 1 by cos square 2x. So f dash x equal to 2 into 1 by cos theta, which is nothing but, which is the reciprocal of sec theta. Okay children. So what is the derivative of tan 2x? Derivative of tan 2x is 2 into secant square 2x. 2 into secant square 2x. Children, once again I am explaining. So as from here, tan 2x plus 2h I can write as sin 2x plus 2h by cos 2x plus 2h. And tan 2x I can write as sin 2x by cos 2x. As the LCM is cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x, so sin 2x plus 2h into cos 2x minus cos 2x plus 2h into sin 2x. Right? Now which is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. The formula of sin A minus B. A in the sense 2x plus 2h, B in the sense 2x. This h will be nothing means here 1, reciprocal 1 by h it will become. I mean that is the reason I multiplied here into h, cos 2x plus 2h, cos 2x. 2x gets cancelled, right? Sin 2h by h into limit 1 by cos 2x plus h into cos 2x. As the function is sin 2h here, so what I did, I multiplied into 2 here as well as into 2 here. So this value is 1, that is 2. 1 by cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Limit is applied individually, right? So 2 into 1 by, and then in the place of h we substitute 0, 2x plus 2 into 0, 0 into cos 2x. Cos 2x into cos 2x, cos square 2x. As the reciprocal of cos is sec square. So the derivative of tan 2x is what? The derivative of tan 2x is 2 into secant square 2x. Okay children. Now let us find the last one, that is cot 2x. Okay. Now let us find the derivative of cot 2x. Same children. The given function is cot 2x. First of all we have to find f of x plus h. I mean cot 2 into x plus h. It will become cot 2x plus 2h. And what is the first principle? F dash x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x by h. I mean cot 2x plus 2h into 2x plus 2h minus cot 2x by h. Right? What do you mean by cot theta children? Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta, right? This will become cos and this will become sin. And this will become cos and this will become sin. Right? In the previous sum, tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta means cot theta by sin theta. means cot 2x plus 2h, we can write as cos 2x plus 2h by sin 2x plus 2h, and cot 2x we can write as cos 2x by sin 2x, right? Now again the LCM is sin 2x plus 2h and sin 2x. Now this will become cos and this will become sin and this will become sin and this will become cos, right? Now from here it will change. Is it clear, children? Cot we wrote as cos by sin. Here also cot we wrote as cos by sin divided by h. Okay. Now which is in the form of cos A sin B minus sin A cos B, which is the formula of what? Which is minus sin A minus B. Limit h tends to 0 minus sin A minus B. A means 2x plus 2h minus B means 2x by this h will be multiplied to sin 2x plus 2h into sin 2x. Okay, children. Now 2x gets cancelled. So limit h tends to 0 minus sin 2h by h into limit h tends to 0 1 by sin 2x plus 2h into sin 2x. So let us multiply into 2. So this will become minus 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin h by h into limit h tends to 0 1 by sin 2x plus 2h into sin 2x. Right? Children, what is the value of this? This is the value. Limit h tends to 0, sin 2h by h value is 1. I mean minus 2 into 1 into, let us apply h tends to 0. So this will become 1 by sin 2x plus 0 into sin 2x. So minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into 1 by sin 2x into sin 2x. This will become sin square 2x. As we know that the reciprocal of sin is cosec. So 1 by sin square 2x we can write as cosecant square 2x. Right? So children, what is the derivative of cot 2x? The derivative of cot 2x is minus 2 into cosecant square 2x. Minus 2 into cosecant square 2x. Okay, children? Once if you practice, you will get every problem easily. Easily, damn sure you will get 4 mark question. No doubt at all. And we have discussed in this session, the first one is sin 2x. First principle of sin 2x. What is the derivative of sin 2x? Derivative of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x. And then we discussed about cos 2x, which is minus sin 2, minus 2 into sin 2x. And then we derived tan 2x, 2 into secant square of 2x. And then we derived cot 2x minus 2 into cosecant square 2x. These are the problems we discussed in this video. What is the derivative of sin 2x? 2 cos 2x. What is the derivative of cos 2x? Minus 2 into sin 2x. What is the derivative of tan 2x? 2 into secant square 2x. What is the derivative of cot 2x? Minus 2 into cosecant square 2x, children. So these are the most important questions. Don't forget to practice. After watching this video, practice, then you will get all these 4 problems easily, children. Okay, thank you.